Hello mums, welcome back to my channel. I am Brie if you're new, and today I am kind of doing a pack with me. I'm going to Bali. I'll be there when this goes up, but I leave tomorrow, and I just thought I'd show you what I'm bringing, how I plan outfits as a Instagrammer. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you how I pack, what's in my bag, how I plan outfits, and all that jazz. So let's get into it. I look so white. I'm ready to get a tan, honestly. Like, look how pale that is. Ew. Okay, so let's do the extra stuff first. I'm bringing a book. I have another book in my carry-on. This is just an extra book because we're planning on doing a lot of reading while we're there. I'm also going to bring my Kindle and I don't know, maybe another book because I want to read a lot. Next I have my toiletries. We haven't decided. I'm going with my friend, and one of our bags is going to be checked in, which will have like all the bigger toiletries and stuff we can't carry on, and then the other bag will be our carry-on bag. So these are just the toiletries I'm bringing. They may go in my suitcase, they may go on hers. I've got, you know, all my skin stuff. The only makeup I'm bringing is a lipstick and like a SPF Beauty Brightening Beauty Balm, brush, conditioner, shampoo, sunscreen, toothbrush, razor, all those, deodorant, all those sorts of things from there. Next I'm bringing a towel, because it's always better to be safe than sorry. I also think I'm going to bring my yoga mat, which I don't have here. But just because I plan on doing a lot of yoga while I'm there. And a lot by myself, not at a yoga studio. Next I have all my bikinis are in this cute little pouch from Triangle. Got some in there. I think I'm bringing 5 pairs of tops. So I have 4 bikinis and then one piece, which you'll see later. 1 pair of workout clothes, just tights and a crop top. We're going to do beach walks, yoga, all those sorts of things. Now, oh yeah, and then a pair of pajamas. Ooh, pretty much unpacking myself. In here I have socks, underwear, and I'm just bringing 1 bra because I'll be in togs most of the time and I'll wear that on the plane. And then in here I have, I don't know if I can build it. I have a pair of runners, a pair of pink Lacoste slides, and 2 pairs of sandals. And then I'm going to wear my Stan Smiths on the plane. I feel like I overpack, but it's all fitting in a carry-on suitcase, so it can't be that much. Now, these are all my clothes. I've sorted them into tops, bottoms, and dresses slash play suits, just so it's easier to find and see. Yeah, I fold them the KonMari way so that I can easily just get them out. I only have like 3 pairs of bottoms, so they're just there, and that folds that way. I'll get one out and show you. So that's just all my tops, folded in there. So that's tops, and then these are all my like dresses and bigger things. I've done it so it's like get it out that way so I can easily see what's what and where everything is. It makes it so much easier to unpack and repack when going to be between places and doesn't make such a mess of my suitcase. So that's nice. So how I generally decide my outfits is I'll try them all on beforehand. Like I'll get everything that I'm thinking of bringing, so all my clothes, togs, shoes that I'd like to bring out, and then I see what I can pair with what and how many outfits I can make out of it, and then I take a photo of all my outfits, which I will show you. I take a photo of all outfits I could wear. So I have already have a general idea on outfits, and I'm not like worrying about what to wear and stuff. So this helps when I'm trying to like shoot outfit photos. It's for all the like photos we're gonna get in Bali. And then what I've done is I've sorted them into albums, those three. So I have casual, nice, and swim. So like ways that I can wear things with my togs if it's just like beach day or pool day or that sort of thing. Nice is for like going out to dinner or going out. And then I've just, you know, got them sorted in there. Thanks, Dad. Yeah. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope this helped you with all your future summer holidays. Please like and subscribe for more videos from me every Tuesday, Thursday and most Sundays. Keep up to date with the vlogs from Bali, which will be coming this Sunday and next Sunday, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye my loves.